Hey. Hello, guys. It is Mirsky, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be giving y'all a little quick law of attraction video. I don't know if I've ever did a video on this specific, topic, and that's what I'm going to be talking about, specific. Why you need to manifest specifically. Like, why do you need to be specific when you manifest? Because you can be trying to manifest something and it can come in a totally different way than you expected it, and it's because you were not specific with. You really have to be specific when you manifest, to manifest fast and to just manifest what you want. Like, for real, you really got to be specific, because I didn't have too many instances where I was just manifesting something, but it did not come how I expected it. And this is why you really need to be specific with manifesting, because it can come any way if you are not specific. When you get down to the length, the width, the height, all of that of your manifestation, you can get it how you want it exactly. And this is not to say, that you have to be so specific to where you're just cutting off the way that it comes. No, be specific in how you want, your manifestation to be like. How do you want this manifestation to make you feel, and things like that. Not so much as, okay, say if you're trying to manifest a person and you want to manifest them, but you are putting some unrealistic kind of ways that they can act or come about to you. It's be realistic too when you are manifesting specific, or when you're trying to be specific in your manifestations, because actually thinking in reality can help you manifest it, and not just, okay, I want this person to be perfect in every way, shape, and form, and this, and you're not going to get that. So some manifestations won't come if you are being too specific, I guess. If you are being too specific, it's okay to be specific. Yes, of course, you need to be specific so you can manifest it how you want it. You feel what I'm saying? It can come any way if you are not specific. It can come any type of way it's looking, feeling to you, anything, if you are not specific on when you want it to come and how you want it to come to you. If you want to manifest specifically, write it down in your journal. Think about some ways it can make you feel, or how it can come to you. Actually visualize it specifically how you want it to be and how you wrote it down, so it can come exactly like that. It is so important to be specific with your manifestations, because I'm telling y'all, it can come any type of way and anytime it wants to, if you are not specific with what you want. Because listen, I'm telling y'all, I just had too many, and if you're not thinking of a good way to be specific about it, just allow yourself to feel how it would feel if it came in the way that you want it to. You don't have to think so hard on it. Just feel how you would want it to. Use your intuition on it. Don't be so subjective, or cut things off to how you want it to manifest. It's okay to be specific, but use proper specifications and stuff. So guys, I hope you like this little quick video on why you should be specific with your manifestations, because it's definitely important. You guys, be specific with what you want. Be specific. So if you like this, subscribe. Check out my other accounts and stuff, my Instagram, and I believe, my Instagram and some other, whatever I got down there in the link, my email, whatever y'all need to do to check out my other pages, go and do that. Clap the bell so you can be notified of my videos. Subscribe, and I will be back with another video shortly. Thank you for watching.